This is true, and it could be Moldova's most effective solution against energy crisis.
In Moldova, over 80% of households still face energy poverty during the cold months, even with the government subsidies. Our homes consume half of the country's total energy capacity, most of it wasted through outdated, inefficient buildings. Our mission is simple: to build carbon-negative homes from local waste straw, which is 50 to 90% cheaper to heat, healthier to live in, and fast to create. Please join us and be part of Moldova's first wave of truly sustainable housing. From fields of straw to families. Real homes, real savings, real impact. Vote for the future you want to live in.